Alright guys, what I'm gonna do here, I have a bucket with sweet potato slips. Alright, now remember I said about planting from this end first. You see where the roots are, this is what you're gonna concentrate on. So it's 100%. Sometimes what we do, we have two roots, you can plant two at the same time and even three. So I'm gonna do this in twos. You see I dig about this, right? So we put it down in the soil like about 4 inches, sometimes even 6. And what I'm gonna do here is double, right? Now this here, you plant here, and you continue in the same manner along the way. See, the earth is soft, right? So direction, one thing with sweet potato slips, they are very easy to catch. You can use buckets, you can plant it in bags, flower pot. And one of the good things too, when you're planting sweet potatoes like this is nice. When you're planting sweet potato, you can trim the ends if it's kind of hanging over the pot, but you don't have to worry, it won't affect the bearing of the potato. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here now, do that in like 6 inches, 7 inches, coming down here the same way, so we are square. Another 7 inches there, take out some more, and then look at this section here. Plant one here, see, for example, this is the top where you have these two, this is the bottom. Try to plant at the bottom section here. Right. One here. One here. See here now, this is a different type of sweet potato. Alright, so we go here again. You can also mix them. This is a different kind here, it's a different kind, you can mix them. Oh, here now I'm putting 3 of them together here. Putting 2 in this one. This one here, just putting 1 with this. Here, 1. See what I do, I keep them on water. Alright, here. Okay, this is from Grenada, all right, and this is from Trinidad and Tobago, this one here. Okay, you have other kinds are also in both islands and the rest of the Caribbean islands, right? No, I'm not going to say which one is better because both of them are very good. You see, the Trinidadian one, although you might have different kinds here, this is the Trinidadian type here, and you see the leaves here. This now is from Grenada. It have two different colors, front and back. All right. Now, both sweet potato taste really delicious, and frankly, if you put them in the same pot, you wouldn't know the difference, and they bear quite well. You can try them. So here I'm planting both in the same area. This guy I just planted. I try not to go too much to the ends to prevent them from spreading far. So this is good enough for this small bed here. This is like about 4 by 4 feet, and I think we planted the new moon is about 5 years ago. So we're coming up to this is plant on the right way. Have yourself a good one from Gardening with Kirk.